chimney and skylights.
So next, take your measurement and transfer that onto your panel. Make your marks and cut it out. Now with your cutout, bring it up. Make sure you have your bend. Pull it tight and fasten it off as you normally would. Alright, so make your same marks and cuts. Pull it in tight. Even this leg has to have your 90-degree bend on it so that it sits tight. Hold up tight, fasten it into place.
Use 110-degree head wall in place of or to cover cut shingle. Cut and bend Z-bar attachment at sidewall to wrap head wall. Attach Z-bar attachment to rake roof to wall and fasten into wall. No fastener is needed to attach Z-bar to rake roof to wall.
Go on ahead and cut and bend your head wall flashing. Lay it in a bed of sealant. And fasten it off. Okay, next, cut and form your panel. Come down together. Lay it in a bed of sealant. And fasten it off. Every 16 inches on center. Do not fasten inside the water trough. Next, take your rake roof to wall and your Z-bar attachment, bring them together, and fasten it into place. "16 inches on center. So then to close off your little grooves, just make a straight cut and fold that down. So here again, make sure you have your prep for your exit, your cutoff for your top, make your bend. So now you got your exit and fasten off your panel as normal. All right, now you cut and measure. Make sure you're leaving a tab going behind your skylight. Flatten out your Pittsburgh so that it can go up and behind. Fasten the panel off as normal. All right, so now you can take your panel that's been modified to bend up your wall, fit in between your notches, and continue your hook along. Make sure you fasten it off as a regular panel.
For additional information, please visit www.allmet.com.